Okay, I'll try to keep this short. Okay, so this is how the road looks. These are the fogs, and this is the headlight. This is the high beam. Okay, now let's start. I'll try to find a pitch black spot as well, so that you get a better idea. This is a well-lit road. But then yeah, you should know how it appears from behind the wheel while driving at night, because you would not be always driving in pitch black darkness. Okay, now so this POV night drive is something that many people like as well. Okay, now it's pitch black. Not exactly pitch black, but yeah, no street light. Okay, now I'll slow down. Low beam, high beam. Low beam, high beam. Alright. So this would give you a clear idea about the throw and spread of the headlights. So yeah, that was it. I hope you liked the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and do hit that like button and do leave a comment. It helps the algorithm, and yeah, I'll see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. What did you say? Take us to that spot, where I usually do my headlight videos. That's pitch black darkness. Okay, let me try to go there a bit quickly so that this video is not 10 to 12 minutes long. Okay, I think this would suffice. Yes. So 20 or 30 more seconds, and then we'll end the video. Alright, good enough. Alright guys, see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, I am adding 30 more seconds to the video. This is how the road looks. These are the fogs. This is the main light, the headlight. That's the high beam. Okay. Low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. Alright, so I am saying goodbye for the third time. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye.